Quiggly, what are you doing in Verde's cage? Verde, what's he doing in your cage? Get that grape. You can't have very many grapes. You can have a few. You gonna get that grape? Twiggly? You gonna get it? Get that grape. Catch it. Oh no, where'd it go? Hey, Mr. Twiggles. You're not squealing. What a good boy. He's a good boy? Mr. Twiggles? I don't know. What's he doing? You gonna get it? Is that ummy nummies? Quiggly! Mr. Twiggles! Twiggly! Quiggles! You going back in? Mr. Quiggles! Don't take all her fruit! Quiggles! You're taking all her fruit. Verde, he's taking your fruit. Mr. Twiggles, what are you doing in there? That's not your cage. Mr. Twiggles, you're a goofball. Quiggly, who's a good boy? He's a good Quiggly. He's a good Quiggly. Yeah, he's a good Quiggly.